Graduates in economics really have a vast array of career opportunities. They range from economic consulting in financial institutions, also work in governmental and organizations and NGOs, and finally also the work in think tanks or also career advancement into maybe a PhD in economics or related areas. Studying economics is essential, I think, to deal with complex real-life issues. If we emphasize something in economics is the rigor in thinking and how to analyze data to extract causal relationships in complex and big data sets, something that's very abundant nowadays, but it's not always widely used. And I think economics is a great discipline to be able to tackle these problems with the help of data. The advice that I would give is keep being interested in economics, be up to date with what's happening in the world in economics, the news, but also about the new developments in economic thinking, behavioral economics, how the science is advancing. There are not only newspapers, but great podcasts that deal with the most important and relevant economic issues of nowadays world, and I would strongly recommend to be up to date with these pieces of information.